Hello everyone, this is Allie from Kidzu. Did you know that there are over 10,000 different kinds of birds in the world? Well, today we're going to read all the birds in the world. Now, it may not have all 10,000 birds in this book, but there are many, and we are going to learn all about birds today. All the Birds in the World by David Opie. This one says, "What about me?" Do you know what kind of bird he is? We'll find out soon. All the birds in the world. All birds have feathers. All birds have wings. All birds have beaks. But birds come in many colors. There are gray birds, brown ones, black, gold, and white. Some birds have red wings, or a blazing orange body, or a ruby throat. They seem to be painted with more colors than you can see. "But what about me?" asked Kiwi. Birds vary in shape and size. Some have crests, crowns, scissor tails, or short, stumpy bodies. An ostrich can stand taller than the tallest basketball player, while some hummingbirds are about as long as your pinky finger. Can you see the tiny hummingbird? Up there. Some birds, like storks, flamingos, egrets, and cranes, have long legs like stilts, so they can wade in water and hunt for food. "But what about me?" asked Kiwi. Most birds make their own homes. Eagles build huge nests, and some hummingbirds weave their tiny nests together using silk from spider webs. Sociable weavers make nests that take up whole trees and house an entire community. "But what about me?" asked Kiwi. Do you see the tiny hummingbird nest? There in the tree. All birds come from eggs. Birds' eggs come in assorted sizes and colors, just like birds. Eggs can be speckled brown or sky blue, and many colors in between. Hummingbird eggs are about the size of a jelly bean, while ostrich eggs are as big as a cantaloupe. Birds' feet are more like claws. They use them to scratch, perch, swim, grab, tear, hop, dig, run, hold, grasp, and fight. Most birds have 4 toes, but the ostrich has only 2, and many others have 3. "How many do I see?" asked Kiwi. How many does Kiwi have? 1, 2, 3. All birds have beaks of different shapes and sizes. Birds use their beaks to smash seeds, tear apart meat, sip plant nectar, gulp down fish, and hammer into wood to get grubs. And what's the most amazing thing birds can do? They fly, fly, fly. Because birds have wings. Don't you wish you could fly? Some birds migrate, which means they fly great distances for food and nesting when the seasons change. "But what about me?" asked Kiwi. Many birds float and swim or dive underwater for fish, shooting through the water like feathered torpedoes. "I think I can swim," said Kiwi. Some birds are nocturnal, which means they are active when most other birds are sleeping. They have big eyes for seeing in the dark. They hunt and migrate under the cover of night. "Even me?" asked Kiwi. Birds call and sing beautiful songs. They sing for a mate and warn rivals away. They warble, tweet, chirp, trill, cheep, peep, and scream. Yes, hawks scream, and seagulls laugh. Emus drum and boom and can be heard a mile away. "But what about me?" asked Kiwi. That's me, said Kiwi. Ah, yes, and there's even a bird found only in New Zealand, the kiwi. It lays very large eggs compared to its body size and lives in an underground burrow instead of nesting in trees. The kiwi has no tail, but has whiskers like a cat and has soft, fur-like feathers, nostrils at the tip of a long, skinny beak, tiny hidden wings, and does not fly. All birds have feathers, all birds have wings, all birds have beaks. And all the birds in this book, all the gulls, finches, owls, eagles, hawks, egrets, ducks, sparrows, pigeons, turkeys, hummingbirds, jays, herons, chickadees, swifts, parrots, ostriches, storks, geese, and all the other types of birds in the world are part of the same feathered family. Even me, said Kiwi. Yes, even Kiwi. The end. There's lots of information in this book about all the different birds and the eggs that you can see in this book. And even some more information about kiwis at the end. Thanks for joining us today. Bye.